Today I'm going to be talking about how to get that chiseled jawline. So I'm going to break it down into 3 steps. I'm not going to talk about fat loss, that's an obvious one. I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can start doing today. Step 1, you guys guessed it, mewing. So mewing is just correct tongue posture and breathing through the nose.
Take a deep breath.
So to mew, all you have to do is smile and swallow. The tongue position there is the correct one, that's the right position. Let me give you an example of what it looks like. So you want to put the tongue on the roof of your mouth like this. So once you've done that, you want to close your teeth and lips and then breathe through your nose, and it will look like this. So that's literally it. Hold that position until it becomes natural. Then you'll be doing it 24 hours a day. You'll be maximising your jawline genetics just by that one simple trick. Okay guys, step number 2, dead easy. It's literally chewing gum. So what you want to do is you want to put a couple pieces into your mouth. Chew it. 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other. Think of it like bicep curls. If you train one side, you're going to have one arm bigger than the other. I could have used a different example of what will make one arm bigger than the other, but in this video, we're not going to talk about that.
Naughty, naughty, you're teasing me.
This is YouTube, keep it PG. Okay, oh, I don't need that anymore, I'll just put that there. Okay, so step number 3, it's not going to sound like it's relevant, but here's a picture to prove that it is. So this next technique is called a chin tuck. So what you want to do is not wear your hat backwards like me. Go against the wall like this, put your head against the wall, and what you want to try and do is get your head as high as possible up the wall, and you want to create as many double chins as you possibly can. Do it for about 60 seconds and hold each rep for 5 seconds. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so do you see how my head's moving up the wall and I'm creating the double chins? That means I'm doing it correct. So let's go again. Head against the wall, fingers on the chin, and let's push it back and create them double chins like this. That is going to improve your posture, and it's going to get rid of that forward head looking posture, which doesn't look good. It's kind of like this. You imagine walking around like that. So if your posture is correct, you're up straight like the picture I showed earlier, your jawline and your whole appearance is going to look 10 times better. So don't forget to practice that every single day for 60 seconds. Okay guys, that's the end of that. So that is how to get a more chiseled jawline. 3 step. Oh no. Anyway, I'm going to go off to the gym now, and I'm absolutely starving. I'm also doing a 72-hour fast. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Come back. Get your iPhone and the coffee.